this I hear. Everyone's talking about a brand new kind of love affair, where boy says to girl, I love you madly, and likewise she to him declares. I used to laugh, but that's in the past. No use in making excuses, 'cause I got a clue what the truth is. It must be love. It's not the weather, it's not the full moon, it's not the stars aligned, it's not a pipe dream, it's not a smoke screen, it's not a Valentine, it's not the incense, it's not the past tense. It must be more, it must be love. If I ought to call you again, and how unlike you to answer in a hurry, 'cause you're wondering just how long it's been.